Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in, and in this channel you can find some unboxing, haul, some products review, home decor and much more. In today's video I want to unbox here with you a Louis Vuitton BANDEAU. BANDEAU? Yes, BANDEAU. So I'm gonna dedicate this video specific just for this BANDEAU because this is one that I saw online in the Louis Vuitton website and I fell in love because the color. You're gonna see in a little bit the color. So I tried to look online or YouTube videos that talk specific about this one and I couldn't find anything because I wanted more details. I wanted to see in different way, more detail about this BANDEAU. I couldn't find anything, so I told myself why not make a video for you guys about this one and show you a little bit more detail about this BANDEAU just in case any of you up there are interested in this one. So we are talking about all the strap BB BANDEAU from Louis Vuitton in the color beige, and we are gonna unbox it. Here I haven't seen it at all. I saw it online and then there was available and then it say out of stock for the longest time, so I contact my CA and she said that yeah, she had one at the store and she was able, if you don't know how that works, so your CA send you the link directly, a specific link directly to you, to your phone, if you want to purchase it, it's a purchase link or something like that. So I purchased there and then she received the notification that the purchase I made, that I paid for or whatever it is, and then she sent me the item. And this is it. So this one, like we all know, is the receipt. So it's not like those, like I say, it's not like you order from the regular website. They send you the big envelope with all those paper and other stuff. But this is different because it's like ordered directly from the store and it's all different. So here is all the receipt information and all that. And here it is. I'm gonna just take it out. Yes, she was very, very nice, and of course I request from her to please send me this one in a little pouch for when I travel or something like that. I'm able to storage in this specific dust bag, and she did. So I'm really thankful. She's just the best. I really don't say her name or nothing like that because I don't know, if she's okay without no. So I'm gonna have to ask her. So if it's okay for me to say her name here, because I just don't want it, like for privacy thing. I don't know how she will feel about it. But yeah, this is the dust bag where she sent it. She's the best. I haven't, her service, her customer service, she's just the best. So this is, I'm gonna just open it. Woo! I'm so excited. Here it is, guys. Woo! This is one side, right? It comes like that. It is so pretty, black and white. And you can see, let me do it this way so you guys can see the LB here it is. And this is the number, which I'm gonna put it down below because it's a little hard. I noticed that you don't want to focus so much too good. So this can be a beautiful gift for Valentine's Day too. This is what it look like, all that strap, and it shows you some tassel. It say Louis Vuitton right there, Louis Vuitton Paris, and like a tag right here, and like the name or the strap. You see a lot of different strap. Look at the design of that, is so beautiful. This is a new design for a spring summer 2021. It's been out since the end of last year. The old strap BB BANDEAU feature multiple house icon. Like you guys can see, the most popular straps and kind of like accessories, like the tassels, like the tags, the keys. Let me know guys if you like videos, unboxing videos like this, especially from Louis Vuitton. It showcase items from the leather goods and the case collections and jewelry collections. Include a chain, strap, luggage tags, and lock. You can see right here, it says Louis Vuitton. It had a key, the luggage tags. This is a beautiful BANDEAU. I just love it. So I just gonna go very slow so you guys able to see all the detail, just in case, you know, you're looking for something like this. It have all the beautiful, you can see right here, and it had the LB. It's beautiful. So yeah, I love it. I think it's very pretty for any occasion, and I decided to go for this one now because it's thinner, it's very long, and I love the pointy corner like that. Oh, you can see how in the corner have all the strap like that here. Perfect to put it on the neck, perfect for the like a headband. I love the red color. For some reason I just love the red color, and you can also, you know, reverse it. I just love it. Look at this guy, just so simple, so beautiful, so pretty, and especially to decor your bag handle with this is probably amazing too. And what get my attention is like, it's for a spring summer 2021, but the color, it looks more like wintry, fall winter color. Maybe because the red and Valentine, you know, they add. This is a perfect touch for any Valentine gift under $200. So this is so beautiful. The colors can be used, I think, all year round. You can't go wrong with this beautiful BANDEAU. Yes. Okay, this is the beautiful BANDEAU right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it is being very useful for you, just in case you're looking for something like this. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. Remember to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, share this video, and thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Bye.